Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add weight to products in your Shopify store. Whether you're running an online shop with a few products or managing an extensive inventory, knowing how to add and manage the weight of your merchandise is crucial, especially for accurate shipping calculations and ensuring a smooth delivery process. So, let's dive into a straightforward and effective way to achieve that. First, go to your Shopify admin panel. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel that lists various tabs related to managing your online store. Look for the Products tab. By clicking on it, you will bring up a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have listed in your store. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire inventory, allowing you to control and customize your product details effortlessly. Once you have this list in front of you, the next step is to decide which products you'd like to add or edit the weight for. You'll notice that each product name is accompanied by a small checkbox. What you want to do is check the boxes next to the products you wish to modify. This function helps you select multiple items at once, making it easier to manage several products without having to edit them individually. After you have selected the desired products by checking their boxes, your next move is to locate the bulk edit option. This handy feature can be found at the top of your product list. Click on Bulk Edit to switch into a mode that allows you to make changes to several products in one go, streamlining your editing process. Now that you're in the bulk editor mode, you'll want to make sure you can see the column that pertains to each product's weight. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen until you spot a Columns button. Click on this, and from the options that appear, enable the Weight column. This ensures that the weight detail for each product is visible and ready to be edited. With the Weight column now in view, you can proceed to make the necessary adjustments. Simply click into the weight field next to each product you need to update and enter the correct weight. This task is straightforward, but remember that accuracy is essential here, as the weight information is typically used for calculating shipping costs. Accurate weight entries are essential for providing your customers with the correct shipping rates, especially for international orders or for products with varying shipping methods. If you have products that share the same weight, for example, small items like phone cases or accessories, you can save time by using the bulk editing feature to apply the same weight to multiple products at once. This can streamline the process and reduce the chances of errors. After you've updated the weights to reflect the correct measurements for your products, the final step is crucial. You need to save your changes. There should be a Save button clearly visible on the page. Click on this to ensure all your updates are securely stored. If you're working with a large inventory or you frequently add new products, consider using Shopify's import feature to upload product weight data in bulk using a CSV file. This is especially useful if you have many products to manage and want to make changes quickly without manually updating each one. You can export your current product data, update the weights in a spreadsheet, and then import it back into Shopify. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you have successfully added weights to your products in Shopify. This efficient method allows you to manage your product listings more effectively while ensuring your shipping calculations remain accurate. By regularly updating the weights of your products, you'll ensure that your shipping rates are always correct, which will help improve the customer experience and avoid any potential issues with shipping costs. Whether you're offering flat rate shipping or calculated rates based on weight, keeping your product information up to date is key to smooth order fulfillment. Thank you for watching, and happy selling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more Shopify tips and tutorials. Also, feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're managing your store's products and if you have any tips to share. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.